Hi students, today we are going to discuss one of the important topic of trigonometry, that is multiple angles. Right? In chapter 1 of trigonometry, we define all trigonometric functions sine, cos and tan, and second chapter of trigonometry, compound angles. In compound angles, we define sin a plus b, cos a plus b and tan a plus b. Okay, write sin a plus b formula. Sin of a plus b, that is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, suppose B is equal to A. If B is equal to A, then that gives sin 2A. Okay, similarly from cos A plus B, tan A plus B, sin of A plus B plus C, cos of A plus B plus C, and tan of A plus B plus C, we define multiple angles, sine of multiple angles. Right. Now, if capital A is any angle, then A comma 2A, 3A and so on are called multiple angles. Right. Okay, if we put B is equal to A in this formula, we get sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Okay, now sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Now divide 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A divided by cos square A into cos square A, right? So cos A gets cancelled, that is equal to 2 tan A divided by secant square A. 2 tan A divided by secant square A. Secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Right. So sin 2A is also equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Now from cos A plus B formula, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Right? We know the identity cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Right? Also sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A, that is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, that is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Right? Now, what is the formula for cos 2A in terms of tan A? Right? What is the formula for cos 2A in terms of tan A? Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now, multiply and divided by cos square A, multiply and divided by cos square A, right? Multiply and divided by cos square A, that is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Right? Cos 2A in terms of tan 2A, that is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Right? Now, from cos 2A formula, 1 plus cos 2A, that is equal to 2 cos square A. 1 minus cos 2A equal to 2 sin square A. These two are very important formulas. Okay, throughout trigonometry. Okay, now we define tan 2A formula. Tan 2A formula in terms of tan. Okay, tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Right? Okay. Now, from these formulas, replace angle A by 2. We get sin A formula, cos A formula, and tan A formula. Okay, right. So the formulas are same to the formulas of sin 2a, cos 2a, and tan 2a, but the angles are different. So cos A equal to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Now from identities, that is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Now cos A in terms of tan A minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Okay, now from this also we get 1 plus cos A, right? Very important formula. 1 plus cos A and 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A equal to 2 cos square A by 2. 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2. Now, tan A formula in terms of tan A by 2. Tan A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. Right. Now, from sin of A plus B plus C formula, we derive sin 3A formula. Right. Put A is equal to B is equal to C in sin of A plus B plus C formula. Put A is equal to B is equal to C in sin of A plus B plus C formula. We have sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Similarly, cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Now, from tan of A plus B plus C formula, we have tan 3A formula. Similarly, cot of A plus B plus C formula, we get cot 3A formula, right? Observe that tan 3A formula and cot 3A formula both are of same type. Simply tan 3A formula, tan A is present, and cot 3A formula, cot A is present. Otherwise, the formula is of same type. Okay, write sin 3A, cos 3A, tan 3A, cot 3A. Right, replace angle A by 3. We have sin A formula in terms of A by 3, cos A formula in terms of A by 3, tan A formula in terms of A by 3, cot A formula in terms of cot A by 3. Sin A is equal to 3 sin A by 3 minus 4 sin cube A by 3. Similarly, cos A, tan A is equal to 3 tan A by 3 minus tan cube A by 3 by 1 minus 3 tan square. Now, see the results from the formulas of cos 2a, right? Sin square a, that is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Okay, already sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a is only one formula previously. Now, sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. That implies sin a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Okay, similarly from cos 2a formula we define cos square a, that is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2, implies cos a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Now tan square a, that is equal to sin square a by cos square a. Tan square a is equal to sin square a divided by cos square a. We get tan square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a. From this, tan a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Right. Here plus or minus. Okay, plus or minus depends on the quadrant in which the angle A lies. Okay. Right. Similarly, we define sin square a by 2, cos a by 2 and tan square a by 2. Right. Sin square a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos a by 2. Right. Next, sin a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 2. Similarly, cos a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos a by 2. Tan a by 2 is equal to sin a by 2 by cos a by 2. That implies tan a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. Right? Here also plus or minus. Plus or minus depends on the quadrant in which the angle a by 2 lies. Suppose is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin is negative. So sin a by 2 is equal to minus of square root of 1 minus cos a by 2 అవుతుంది. Right. So from these formulas, we have to find some values such as sin 22 and half, cos 22 and half, tan 22 and half values. Okay, right. Now see a small results, but this is very useful through entire trigonometry and remaining topics of calculus and geometry. Right. What is the value of cosecant A plus cot A? What is the value of cosecant A plus cot A? Right. Cosecant A అంటే simply 1 by sin A, cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Right. What is 1 plus cos A formula? 1 plus cos A, that is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 divided by sin A formula 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, that is equal to cot A by 2. Right. Now, what is the value of cosecant A minus cot A? Cosecant A minus cot A, that is equal to 1 minus cos A divided by sin A, that is equal to tan A by 2. Right. Now, what is the value of secant A plus A? Secant A plus tan A is equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A. Right. From this, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A can be written as 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus A divided by cos A. Cos A can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus A. Now, this is of the form 1 plus cos A by sin A. 1 plus cos A by sin A, that is equal to cot A by 2. This is equal to cot of pi by 4 minus A by 2. cot of pi by 4 minus a by 2. That is same as tan of pi by 4 plus a by 2. Right. What is the value of secant a minus tan a? What is the value of secant a minus tan a? That is equal to 1 minus sin a by cos a. Right. Here also 1 minus sin a, 1 minus cos of pi by 2 minus a divided by cos a sin of pi by 2 minus a. Now this is of the form 1 minus cos a by sin a. That is equal to tan a by 2. That is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus a by 2. Very, very important results. Okay, once I summarize the previous formulas. First, we define sin 2a formula, cos 2a formula, tan 2a formula from sin a plus b, cos a plus b, tan a plus b. Right. Also from sin a plus b plus c, cos a plus b plus c, tan a plus b plus c formulas, we define sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a. Okay, in these formulas, replace angle A by A by 2. We get sin A, cos A, tan A in terms of A by 2. Sin A, cos A, tan A in terms of A by 3. Okay, right. Also, sin square A formula, sin square A by 2 formula, cos square A formula, cos square A by 2 formula, tan square A formula, tan square A by 2 formula. Right. These are also very, very, very important results. Okay. Okay, now from the above formulae, we get sin 22 and half is equal to, okay, sin A formula, sin A, that is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, put A is equal to 22 and half degrees. Put A is equal to 22 and half degrees. Right. A is equal to 22 and half degrees. That is in quadrant 1. So sin 22 and half is equal to plus root of 1 minus cos 2a, 1 minus cos 45 degrees divided by 2. Substitute cos 45 degrees, we get sin 22 and half is equal to square root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Rationalizing the denominator, we get square root of 2 minus root 2 by 2. Okay, sin 22 and half is equal to cos of what angle? Sin 22 and half is equal to cos of its complementary angle, that is equal to 67 and half degrees. Right. Similarly, cos 22 and half degrees value derived from cos A is equal to plus or square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. That is equal to sin 67 and half degrees. Okay. Tan 22 and half degrees is equal to root 2 minus 1. That is equal to cot 67 and half degrees. Cot 22 and half is equal to root 2 plus 1. That is equal to tan 67 and half degrees. Okay. Also derive some values. Okay, sin 18 degrees is equal to, okay, how to find sin 18 degrees? Let angle A is equal to 18 degrees. Multiply this by 5 on both sides. 5a is equal to 90 degrees. 5a can be written as a plus 3a is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, that implies 2a is equal to 90 degrees minus 3a. Apply sine on both sides. Sine 2a is equal to cos 3a. Right? From this, we get a quadratic equation in sine a. From this, we get a quadratic equation in sine a. From this, we get sine 18 degrees equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to cos 72 degrees. Right? Now, cos 36 degrees. Cos 36 degrees formula is symmetrical to the formula sine 18 degrees. So, cos 36 degrees is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to sine 54 degrees. Okay, cos 36 degrees, that is equal to cos 2 into 18 degrees. Cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. From this, we get cos 36 degrees. Now, cos 18 degrees value. Cos 18 degrees is equal to 1 minus sine square 18 degrees. Cos square 18 degrees equal to 1 minus sine square 18 degrees. Okay, cos 18 degrees is equal to square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, that is equal to sine 72 degrees. Now, sine 36 degrees is equal to square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4, that is equal to cos 54 degrees. Right? Sine square 36 degrees is equal to 1 minus cos square 36 degrees. 1 minus cos square 36 degrees. Okay. Right. Now, see very important results regarding JEE mains and JEE advanced. Okay, right. Sin A into sin of alpha plus A into sin of alpha minus A. Sin A, sin of alpha plus A, sin of alpha minus A. That is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. Right? Okay, how to prove this result? Consider left hand side. Now, this is of the form sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. That is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Right? Now, simplifying this, we get 1 by 4 sin 3A. Now, similar result from cos A, cos alpha plus A, cos alpha minus A equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. Now, what is the value of tan A, tan alpha plus A, tan alpha minus A? Immediately, students respond 1 by 4 tan 3A. 1 by 4 tan 3A. Right? See, what is the value? Tan A, tan alpha plus A, tan alpha minus A. Here, 1 by 4 is not coming. Okay, simply that is equal to tan 3A. Now, similar result from cot, that is equal to cot 3A. Okay, in this also tan A plus B into tan A minus B formula, that is equal to tan square alpha minus tan square A divided by 1 minus alpha tan square A. Simplifying this, we get that is equal to tan 3A. Right. See the formulas. What is the value of alpha in this formula? What is the value of alpha? Okay. The result comes in terms of angle A. What is the value of alpha? Right. The values of alpha is equal to 60 degrees or 120 degrees or 240 or 340. If you take any value of alpha in these values, the results are holes. Okay, right. Now see the example regarding to the previous result. X equal to cot 6 degrees, cot 42 degrees equal to tan 6 degrees, tan 78 degrees. What is the value of y by x? Y by x, that is equal to 1 by cot, that is equal to tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 66 degrees, tan 78 degrees. Okay. Suppose this is A, tan A, tan A. This is 60 plus A, 60 plus A. Okay, here tan A and tan 60 plus A is present. Now, the required term is tan 60 minus A. Tan 60 minus A. Tan 60 minus A. Tan 60 degrees, 60 minus 6. That is equal to tan 54 degrees. Right. So multiply and divided by tan 54 degrees. Also tan 42 degrees. Let it be A, tan A, tan 78, sorry. This is 60 minus 18, 60 minus A, tan of 60 minus A. This is tan of 60 plus A. A is equal to 18 degrees. Angle A is equal to 18. So, tan 18 is missing for applying the result. So, multiply and divided by tan 18 degrees, right? That is equal to, okay, tan A, tan 60 minus A, tan 60 plus A, right? That is equal to tan 3A. Similarly, tan A, tan 60 minus tan 60 plus A, that is equal to tan 3A, that is equal to tan 54 into tan 18, right? So, numerator and denominator same, that is equal to 1. Okay, right. Now, cot A minus tan A, that is equal to cot 2A, right? Cot A ante cot A is equal to cos A by sin A minus sin A by cos A. Now taking LCM, we have cos square A minus sin square A divided by sin A cos A. Now multiply and divided by 2, we get cot A minus tan A, that is equal to 2 cot 2A. Cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. Okay, that implies tan A plus 2 cot 2A is equal to cot A. Okay, right. See the series cot A minus tan A minus 2 tan 2A. Cot A minus tan A minus 2 tan 2A, that is equal to cot A minus tan A. Cot A minus tan A, that is equal to 2 into cot 2A. 2 into cot 2A minus 2 into tan 2A, that is equal to 2 into cot 2a minus tan 2a, that is equal to 2 square 2 square a. 2 square cot 2 square a. Okay, that implies tan a plus 2 tan 2a, tan a plus 2 tan 2a plus 2 square cot 2 square a is equal to same value, that is cot a. Right? Observe the series. Okay, similarly cot A minus tan A minus 2 tan 2A minus 2 square tan 2 square A, that is equal to 2 cube cot of 2 cube A. Right? From this tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 2 square tan 2 square A plus 2 cube cot 2 cube A, that is equal to A. Okay. Right. See the series of terms. This is tan A plus 2 cot 2A, tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 4 cot 4A, that is also cot A, tan A plus 2 tan 2A, 4 tan 4A plus 8 cot 8A is also equal to cot A. Likewise, see the series. Finally, tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 2 square tan 2 square A plus and so on. 2 power n minus 2 tan of 2 power n minus 2a. Right? Observe that in each term, in each last term of LHS in cot, here 2 power n minus 1 cot of power n minus 1 a, that is also equal to cot a. Right? See the result, very very important result. Okay. Now from the result we derive another result, that is tan x plus 1 by 2 tan x by 2, 1 by 2 square tan x by 2 square and so on. The last term, okay, 1 by 2 power n minus 1 tan of x by 2 power n minus 1, right? That is equal to, this is also derived from the previous formula, that is equal to 1 by 2 power n minus 1 cot of x by 2 power n minus 1 minus 2 cot 2x, right? This is also very very useful. Okay, right? See the example. If tan pi by 7 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 7, 4 tan 4 pi by 7 plus 8 cot 8 pi by 7 is equal to tan theta, right? Then sin 7 theta is equal to, for finding sin 7 theta value, first we have to find the value of theta, right? So result is tan theta plus tan 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta, that is equal to cot theta, right? So applying the previous result, we get this is equal to cot theta, that is equal to cot pi by 7, but in our problem that is equal to tan theta. Cot pi by 7, cot theta in terms of tan theta. Cot theta is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus pi by 7, that is equal to tan 5 pi by 14. Therefore, theta is equal to 5 pi by 14. Then sin 7 theta, that is equal to sin 5 by 2, that is equal to 1. Right? This is the example. regarding previous result. Okay. Now, what is the value of cos square A plus sin power 4A? What is the value of cos square A plus sin power 4A? Right? Cos square A plus sin power 4A. Sin power 4A, sin square A into sin square A. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Right. That is equal to 1 minus sin square A into cos square A. Right. Cos square A plus sin power 4A is cos power 4A plus sin square A. Cos power 4A plus sin square A, that is equal to 1 minus sin square A into cos square A. Right. Now, what is the value of cos power 4A plus sin power 4A? Also, what is the value of cos power 6A plus sin power 6A? Right? See, cos power 4A plus sin power 4A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A cos square A. Right? Same result, only here 2 is multiple of sin square A cos square A. Now, cos power 6A plus sin power 6A is also same as previous one, 1 minus 3 sin square A into cos square A. Right? Remember, these results are very, very important. Okay? Right. Now, see another result, square root of 2 plus 2 cos A. What is the value of this? What is the formula for 1 plus cos A? The formula for 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. 2 cos square A by 2. That is equal to 2 cos A by 2. Right. Now, what is the value of square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos A? Right. Value of this is 2 cos A by 2. That is equal to 2 cos A by 2 square. Right. Now, what is the value of this? That is equal to 2 cos A by 2 cube. If one square root is increased in this, we have 2 cos of A by 2 square. Square roots are increased, then the angle is to A by 2 cube, A by 2 power 4 and so on. Right. What is the value of this? Okay, here we have n number of roots or n number of terms. The value of this is equal to 2 into cos of A by 2 power n, where n is the number of roots or the number of terms. What is the value of this? What is the value of this? In last term, here root 2. This can be written as square root of 2 plus 2 cos pi by 2. 2 plus 2 cos pi by 2. Right? By applying the previous result, we get 2 times cos of pi by 2 power n plus 1. Right? See the example. What is the value of square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus root 2? Okay, by applying this formula, that is equal to 2 cos of pi by 2 power n plus 1, where n is equal to 3, that is equal to 2 cos pi by 16. Okay. Right. Now see another result. Tan A plus tan of A minus alpha plus tan of A plus alpha is equal to 3 tan 3A. Very important result. Tan A plus tan A minus alpha plus tan of A plus alpha, that is equal to 3 tan 3A, where A and 3A are not an odd multiples of pi by 2. Okay, right. Now tan A plus tan of 60 plus A, tan of 120 plus A, tan A plus tan 120 plus A, tan 240 plus A, tan A plus tan plus A, tan 240 plus A, tan A plus tan 240 plus A, tan 300 plus A, tan A plus tan 300 plus A, tan 60 plus A. Right. What is the value of these four results? What is the value of these four results? Okay, right. That is equal to 3 tan 3A. That is equal to 3 tan 3A. Okay, right. Here this is tan A. This is tan 60 plus A. Tan 120 degrees plus A. That can be written as tan of A minus 60 degrees. Tan of A minus 60 degrees. So, tan A, tan of A minus alpha plus tan of A plus alpha, that is equal to 3 tan 3A. Similarly, these three results can be converted into this form. We get that is equal to 3 tan 3A. Right. Okay. This is also true for cot. Okay. Now, what is the value of sin square A plus sin square of alpha minus A, sin square of alpha plus A? Right, that is equal to 3 by 2. Similar result from cos, that is also equal to 3 by 2. Right, in these two results, what is the value of alpha? What is the value of alpha? Right, the value of alpha is equal to 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 240 degrees or 300 degrees. Okay, if we put any value of alpha, we get sin square A plus sin square of alpha minus A plus sin square of alpha plus A, that is equal to 3 by 2. Right. Now see another result. If A plus B is equal to 60 degrees, if A plus B equal to 60 degrees, then sin square A plus sin square B plus sin A sin B, that is equal to 3 by 4. Right. Now in terms of cos, in terms of cos square A plus cos square B minus, here minus is come, so cos square A plus cos square B minus cos A cos B is equal to 3 by 4. Right. Now if A minus B equal to 60 degrees, if A minus B is equal to 60 degrees, what is the change in the relations? If A minus B equal to 60 degrees, replace angle B by minus B. Replace angle B by minus B. Here there is no change. Here sin of minus B, that is equal to minus sin B. Now in this, cos of minus B is the same as cos B there is no change in this result. Okay, see this. If a minus b equal to 60 degrees, then sine square a plus sine square b minus sine a sine b is equal to 3 by 4. Similar result in cos square a plus cos square b minus cos a cos b is equal to 3 by 4. Right, see one example. What is the value of cos square 10 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees plus cos square 70 degrees? Right, this is cos square a, this is cos square a, this is cos square of 60 degrees minus a, cos square of 60 degrees plus a, cos square of 60 degrees plus a, right? That is equal to cos square a plus cos square 60 minus a plus cos square 60 plus a, that is equal to, by applying the above result, that is equal to 3 by 2. Right? See another example. The value of sine cube 10 degrees plus cos cube 20 degrees divided by sine 10 degrees plus cos 20 degrees. Right? Okay. Sine cube 10 degrees. Sine cube 10 degrees can be written as cos cube 80 degrees. Similarly, sine 10 degrees can be written as cos 80 degrees. Okay, right. Cos cube 80 degrees plus cos cube 20 degrees by cos 80 degrees plus cos 20 degrees. Right. Now, numerator is of the form a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab b square. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, that is equal to, right, a plus b gets cancelled, that is equal to cos square a plus cos square 60 plus a minus cos a into cos of 60 plus a, right? By applying above result, that is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Right. Now see another important result. Okay. Cos a plus cos 120 plus a cos 120 minus a is equal to 0. Right. Applying cos a plus b formula, cos a minus b formula, simplifying this, that is equal to 0. Right. A plus c equal to 0. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. A plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. By applying this formula, we get cos cube a plus cos cube 120 plus a plus cos cube 120 minus a, that is equal to 3 by 4 cos a, 3 by 4 cos a, cos 120 degrees plus a, cos 120 degrees plus a, cos 120 degrees minus a, right? Okay, now this is the result, one of the result, that is equal to cos 3a, that is equal to, so this is equal to 3 times this. The value of this is 1 by 4 cos 3a. Finally, that is equal to 3 by 4 cos 3a. Right? Okay. See another result, cos a, cos 2a, cos 2 square a, and so on, cos of 2 power n minus 1 into a. What is the value of this? Observe that here the angles are in GP. Observe that here the angles are in GP. If the angles are in GP and the product in terms of cos, that is equal to sine of 2 power n into a divided by 2 power n sine a. Right? The result is this, but the value is always equal to either 1 by 2 power n or minus 1 by 2 power n. In which case the value is 1 by 2 power n or minus 1 by 2 power n. Right? If angle A is equal to pi by 2 power n plus 1, in this case the value is equal to 1 by 2 power n. If A is equal to pi by 2 power n minus 1, in this case that is equal to minus 1 by 2 power n, where n is the number of terms in LHS. See one example to this problem. Okay, right. Similarly, from the same result, we have cos a by 2, cos of a by 2 square, cos of a by 2 cube, and so on, cos of a by 2 power n. Okay, by applying the same result, that is equal to sine a divided by 2 power n sine of a by 2 power n. Right? See the example. Here sine 8a by sine a is equal to k times cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a. Then k is equal to. Right? So, by applying above result, cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a is equal to sin 2 power n a divided by 2 power n sin a. Okay, from this 8 cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a, k cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a is equal to sin 8a by sin a. Right? Comparing these two, we have k is equal to 8. Okay, thank you. What is the value of cos pi by 7? What is the value of cos pi by 7? Cos 2 pi by 7, cos 3 pi by 7, right? Now, what is the value of cos pi by 9, cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9, cos 4 pi by 9? Okay, right. What are the values of these two expressions? Okay, for finding this type of values, okay, there is a formula. The formula is, that is, cos of pi by 2n plus 1, cos of 2 pi by 2n plus 1, cos of 3 pi by 2n plus 1, and so on, cos of n pi by 2n plus 1, right? The value of this expression, right? Here, observe that the angles are in AP, right? The product of cos of these angles, that is equal to 1 by 2 power n, right, where n is the number of terms in LHS, so that is equal to 1 by 2 power n, right. So the value of this is equal to 1 by 2 cube. This is equal to 1 by 2 cube, that is equal to 1 by 8. The value of this expression is 1 by 2 power n. Here n is equal to 4, that is equal to 1 by 16, right. See another example related to this formula. The value of cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 3 pi by 15 and so on, cos 7 pi by 15, right. So here also the angles is of the form pi by 2n plus 1, pi by 2n plus 1. Here n is equal to 7, n is equal to 7. Okay, by applying above formula, the given expression is equal to 1 by 2 power n, that is equal to 1 by 2 power 7, right. Now, previously cos a by 2, sin a by 2 and tan a by 2 can be expressed in terms of cos a. Cos a by 2, sin a by 2 and tan a by 2 expressed in terms of cos a. Now, how to express cos a by 2 and sin a by 2 in terms of sin a? Now, see how to express cos a by 2 and sin a by 2 in terms of sin a. Okay, right, express cos a by 2 and sin a by 2 in terms of sin a, right. Cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus sin a. How to get it? Consider cos of cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 whole square. Cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 whole square, that is equal to cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2 plus 2 cos a by 2 sin a by 2, 2 cos a by 2 sin a by 2, 2 cos a sin a by 2, that is equal to 1 plus sin a, that is equal to 1 plus sin a, right. Cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 whole square, this is equal to 1 plus sin a. That implies cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus sin a. Okay, this is useful in calculus also. Now, what is the value of cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2? Cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2. Similarly, continuing this process, we get cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin a, right. Very important concept. Okay, this is very useful in integration also, right. Cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus sin a. Cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin a, right. Now, from these two equations, what is the value of cos a by 2 and sin a by 2? What is the value of cos a by 2 and sin a by 2? Right? Now, adding these two equations, we get cos a by 2 and subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get sin a by 2, right? See the values of cos a by 2 and sin a by 2. 2 cos a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus sin a plus this is very important, plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin a. Now 2 sin a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus sin a, right? Here minus sign, this is very important, right? Plus or minus root of 1 plus sin a minus plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin a, right? See the values of cos a by 2 and sin a by 2. Observe that 2 cos a by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus sin a plus or minus root of 1 minus sin a. In 2 sin a by 2 value, here minus sign is present. Okay, for calculating the values of a by 2, observes this sign very carefully. Okay, right. Now find the values of a by 2 in which cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 greater than 0, right? Now we have to find the values or the limits of a by 2 for which cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 greater than 0, cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 less than 0. Similarly, cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 greater than 0 and cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 less than 0, right? Cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 greater than 0. Now this expression is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta, a cos theta plus b sin theta, right? Here equal to 1, b is equal to 1. Root of a square plus b square is equal to root 2, right? Divide this inequality by root 2. Divide this inequality by root 2. 1 by root 2 cos a by 2 plus 1 by root 2 sin a by 2, 1 by root 2 sin a by 2 greater than 0, right? So this implies sin pi by 4 into cos a by 2 plus cos pi by 4 into sin a by 2, cos pi by 4 into sin a by 2 greater than 0. Now sin a cos plus cos a sin b, that is sin of a plus b, that is sin of a plus b, right? Okay, sin theta greater than 0, sin theta greater than 0. Okay, once again, cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 greater than 0. This can be expressed in terms of sin, that is sin of pi by 4 plus a by 2, that is greater than 0. Sin theta greater than 0. Sin theta greater than 0. Theta lie between 0 and pi. 0 less than pi by 4 plus a by 2 less than pi. From this, the values of a by 2 are minus pi by 4 less than a by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Okay, right. Similarly, cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 less than 0. That implies the values or the limits of a by 2 are 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. Now, the limits of a by 2 for which cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 greater than 0. Right. Here also the expression is of the form a cos theta minus b sin theta. Divide this expression by root of a square plus b square 1 by root 2 cos a by 2 minus 1 by root 2 sin a by 2 greater than 0. That implies cos pi by 4 into cos a by 2 cos pi by 4 into cos a by 2 minus sin pi by 4 into sin a by 2 sin pi by 4 into sin a by 2 greater than 0. Now this is of the form cos a plus b cos of pi by 4 plus a by 2 that is greater than 0. Cos theta greater than 0. Theta lies in fourth quadrant and first quadrant. That implies pi by 4 plus a by 2 lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. That implies a by 2 lies between minus 3 pi by 4 and pi by 4. Similarly, cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 less than 0. That implies pi by 4 less than a by 2 less than 5 pi by 4. Right? Okay, now summarize the above explanation in the form of diagram. Okay, let cos a by 2 is equal to c and sin a by 2 is equal to s. Now summarize the above explanation in the form of diagram. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, this is a line, y is equal to x. Okay, and it makes an angle pi by 4 with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, now this is another line, y is equal to minus x. This makes an angle minus pi by 4 with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, now coordinate plane divide into 4 regions. Now the coordinate plane divide into 4 regions. Okay, not in quadrants. Okay, the 4 regions are minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. This is one region. Now pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, that is another region. 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 is another region, and 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 is the fourth region. Okay, cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 and cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2. Divide the coordinate plane into 4 regions. that is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, right? Okay, here c plus s greater than 0 in the interval minus 3 pi by 4 to minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Okay, right. Observe the regions. Okay, here in this region both c plus s and c minus s are positive. That is in the region minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Right. In this region c plus s and c minus s are negative. That is in the region 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Now this is the region pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Then c plus s greater than 0, c minus s less than 0. Right. Now the region 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 or minus 3 pi by 4 to minus pi by 4. In this region c plus s less than 0 and c minus s greater than 0. Right? These are the limits of a by 2. Okay? Right. Now see the problems, how to do it, the problems based on this concept, how to use this diagram. Right? See the example. Right? If 2 cos a by 2, 2 cos a by 2, that is equal to square root of 1 plus sin a minus square root of 1 minus sin a. Then a by 2 lies between. Right? This is the way to ask the question. 2 cos a by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus sin a minus root of 1 minus sin a. Then a by 2 lies between. Right? Now comparing the given equation with 2 cos a by 2 value with actual value of 2 cos a by 2. Right? 2 cos a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus sin a plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin a. This is 2 cos a by 2. Right? Then this is c plus s. This is c plus s. That is cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 value. Here this is plus sign, this is plus sign, so that c plus s greater than 0. Right? This is the value of c minus s. This is the value of c minus s, that is cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2, that is less than 0. That is less than 0. Right? Here c plus s greater than 0 and c minus s less than 0. From the previous diagram, from the above diagram, the values of a by 2 or the limits of a by 2 is pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Okay. Right. Thank you.